My great-great-great-grandfather came through the Underground Railroad from slavery as a freedom seeker. He landed in St. Catharines, Ontario, which was the stomping ground of Harriet Tubman. His son, my great-great-grandfather, Reverend A. Ball, also wrote the obituary for Harriet Tubman for Canadian Press. When I started my ancestry journey, the tools that I used first were the search options, which led me to the family trees. Many years later, I decided to do the DNA test, which started to put the pieces of the puzzle together with the search options, with the family trees, and all the other information that I started to find. I began searching my great-great-great-grandfather with his name. I knew his name was Henry Ball, and that's all I had to go off of. I started to know the dates of and the names of his children, so that's what helped narrow down the search to find him specifically. The history of the Ball family Jubilee Singers, they were founded in the mid to late 1800s by Richard Amos Ball. Him and his wife Mary had 8 children, and they traveled around Canada and the US. They would minister and pastor in various parts of the country. They also did a lot of advocacy work and activism for Black communities. That's something that I find myself in now. Actually now learning it, I'm even more passionate about it.